and humid is what we can expect for the holiday weekend. So how do we get rid of that humidity in our homes, and how important is it that we do that? Gary's here from Home Comfort Experts to tell us. We talk about that all the time. It gets humid, cabinets start sticking in the kitchens.
Right.
Is it important that we get rid of that humidity in our homes?
Well, your air conditioners are actually big dehumidifiers. That is the first thing that they do in your home, is they pull that humidity out of the air before they start lowering the temperature. Most air conditioners, Indiana, are sized for like 90-degree days. So here the past few days,
Been working hard.
they've been working hard. They've been 90 degrees plus. We get a lot of calls from people saying, my air conditioner never shuts off. Well, that's because, well, it's 90 degrees outside. The humidity's high outside, but a lot of the humidity in your home does not even come from the outside. A lot of it comes from inside your house, from your basement. The moisture that's in the ground, if you have a house that's on a basement, actually will come in through the concrete and the floors. Or if you're on a slab, it comes up that way. One of the things you can do to remove that is put a whole house dehumidifier in to draw that humidity out. It will make less work for your air conditioner, all right? And it'll make you more comfortable in your house. So when the air is dry, you're more comfortable, you don't feel sticky, you don't get that chill sometimes. You know, when you go into the air conditioning and you just feel kind of like you have moisture on your skin and get a little bit of a chill. It dries out that air, makes it more comfortable, makes your doors not stick, you know, on your cabinets, you know, doors to your different rooms, that type of stuff. Humidity control, when in the wintertime things get so cold here, it dries houses out.
Static, everybody has the static.
Yep, we have to add humidity. And unfortunately, Indiana, we have so much humidity that we have to try and take it back out. So we kind of have both sides of it. Removing that humidity helps a lot of people with their allergies as well. We talk about allergies a lot. Houses are closed up even in the summertime, you know, especially now that you don't have the windows open. So it's important to take that humidity out, have a good filtration system so that filter can clean your air as it goes through. And when you are, you know, trying to cool your house down on these 90-degree days, be patient, okay?
It's not gonna happen right away.
No, and the further you turn down your thermostat, that does not mean that it's cooling your house faster. You know, you go to a lot of homes, we go to service calls and the thermostat may be set on 60 degrees. They tell us, well, it's not cooling when we have it at 70, so we turned it down to 60. That's not how it works. So
here's a question. Should we be turning it up? Like, we have ours set on a schedule. So during the day, it's at 72, then at, you know, at whatever, 4 o'clock, it goes to 70, and then at 5:30, or it goes to 68. Should we be doing that? Should we keep it at 68 all the time? Your programmable thermostat will save you some money on your electric bill. You know, if you have a set schedule, a lot of people have a set schedule. They get up in the mornings, they leave, you know, at certain times they go to work. That period while you're not at home, yeah, you can let that come up. You got to be careful that you don't go crazy. Too much, because then the equipment's going to work really hard to pull that back down. So you have to be careful, but it will save you some money on your electric bill. And then in the evening, you have to be careful going below 70 degrees. A lot of these air conditioners, they're, you know, they will freeze up if you try and set them too cold. So if you go below 70, just be careful. You may have some issues that air conditioner will freeze up on you. Remind me to record you when it becomes winter again about how you shouldn't go too crazy changing it. Because Joe likes to make it really cold in our house during the winter, and then when I come home, it's freezing, and I don't want to wait for it to get warm again. Yeah, we're going to record you saying that so that Charity doesn't have to freeze. If you need that humidifier in your home, all you have to do is call Home Comfort Experts. They'd be happy to come out and talk to you about it. 260-490-5100. Check them out online. Call homecomfort.com. We'll be right back.